My dear friends, on this graceful morning, it is my privilege and it gives me an immense pleasure to share few concepts on yoga. Friends, let us start the session by chanting three Omkaras followed by salutation to the great Patanjali Maharishi. I take a deep breath in. Deep breath in. Salutation to the great Patanjali Maharishi. Yogena चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपकरोक्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि ॐ Friends, सर्वांग सुंदर व्यायाम प्राचीन भारतीय दंड बैठक एंशंट इंडियन Dand Baitak. Friends, Dand Baitak is a great treasure of our country, designed by our Rishis and Munis thousands of years back. Thousands of years back. Dand Baitak is a series of yogasanas in a dynamic form. Dand Abhyas. Today we shall see to the Hanuman Dand Chatakse. Chatakse means fast. I am sitting, friends, I am sitting in Vajrasana. Vajrasana is a very special asana. It has a special characteristic. Vajrasana can be practiced at any point of time. Even Vajrasana can be practiced after having a full meal. Dand, any dand. Now, in practicing any dand, you cannot place the palms and feet as you like and practice. Friends, every dand has a specific measurement. What is the measurement of this Hanuman dand? The span of arm length. Arm length means from the heel of the elbow up to the wrist and the length of the palm up to the tip of the middle finger. This comprises the span of the length of the arm plus palm length. The span of the arm length followed by palm length. From the bottom of my right knee, I measure the length of the arm followed by palm. I place my two palms parallelly completely on the floor. I rise to Parvatasana. This is Parvatasana. The back of the two thighs are straight. From Parvatasana, I come to Dandasana. From Dandasana, now I come to the dynamic pose, the dynamic form of the Hanuman Dand, my dear friends. Hanuman Dand Chatak Se. Chatak Se means fast. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. I go back to Vajrasana. After Shram, Vishram is very, very important. How to relax? I flap both the arms like a bird flapping its wings. I flap both my arms like a bird flapping its wings. Friends, I flap both my arms like a bird flapping its wings. Friends, 1 billion. 1 billion is 100 crores. 1 trillion. 1 trillion is 1 lakh crores. We have trillions of cells in the human body. Oxygenating trillions of cells is very, very important. How to oxygenate the cells? I inhale. I rise both my arms up. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Inhale deeply. Take your both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Inhale deeply. Take your arms up. Exhale, come down. It is pranayama yukta yogic sattvic vyayama. Friends, now I demonstrate in this direction. As you know, I am sitting in Vajrasana. Now from Vajrasana, what is the measurement? The span of the arm length followed by palm length. From the bottom of my knee, I take the span of the arm length followed by palm length. I place both the palms here. Friends, we need not measure the span of the arm length and palm length. Just to slide your palms parallelly completely on the floor, now before your shoulders, so that the entire torso lies on the two thighs. Now this is Adho Mukha Virasana, Balasana, child pose. This gives a measurement. From child pose, I rise to Parvatasana. Now from Parvatasana, I come to Dandasana, my dear friends. From Dandasana, now I come to the dynamic pose of Hanuman Dand Chatak Se. Chatak Se means fast. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. I come back to Vajrasana. After Shram, Vishram is very, very important. How to relax? I flap both my arms like a bird flapping its wings. I flap both my arms like a bird flapping its wings. I flap both my arms, my dear friends, like a bird flapping its wings. Oxygenating trillions of cells is very, very important. Inhale deeply, rise both your hands up. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down. It is pranayama yukta yogic sattvic vyayama, my dear friends. Now this is Hanuman Dand Chatak Se. Chatak Se means fast. Friends, before concluding the session, we shall chant 3 Omkaras followed by a Shanti mantra. I take a deep breath in. Om. Deep breath in. Om. Deep breath. Om. Shanti mantra. Om sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Rub your palms only 9 times. Make a cup of it, place it on the closed eyeballs. Biomagnetic plasmic energy sinks through your eyeballs, spreads throughout of your body. Remove the palms, rub it again only 9 times, not more than 10 times. Make a cup of it, place it on the closed eyeballs for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Gently remove the palms, open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Thank you very much.